English shorthand. Special contraction. Section 1 to 5. Be ready. Start. Peculiar. Perform. Performance. Performer. Perpendicular. Public. Republic. Republican. Published. Publisher. Publication. Practice. Practiced. Practicable. Prejudice. Preliminary. Probable. Proficient. Proportion. Proportionate. Subscribe. Subscription. Substantial. Deficient. Description. Difficulty. Discharge. Distinguish. Advertisement. Section 2. January. Capable. Character. Characteristic. Commercial. Cross-examine. Exchange. Expediency. Expenditure. Expensive. Especially. Esquire. Establishment. Immediate. Imperturbable. Magnetic. Manufacturer. Extinguish. Govern. Government. Familiar. Familiarization. Familiarize. February. Financial. Efficient. Sufficient. Manufacturer. Mathematical. Mathematics. Mathematician. Maximum. Mechanical. Metropolitan. Mortgage. Section 3. Enthusiasm. Incorporated. Independence. Indispensable. Individual. Inform. Informer. Interest. Investment. Neglect. Negligence. Never. November. Sensible. Electric. Electrical. Electricity. Recoverable. Irrecoverable. Reform. Reformer. Regular. Irregular. Requinish. Represent. Representation. Representative. Responsibility. Irresponsibility. Organize. Organizer. Organization. Certificate. Uniform. Unanimity. Yesterday. Section 4. Parliamentary. Prospectus. Telegraph. Telegram. Satisfactory. Administrator. Administratics. Question. Falsification. Amalgamation. Amalgamate. Minimum. Sympathetic. Investigation. Insurance. Knowledge. Acknowledge. Inconsiderate. Influential. Intelligence. Intelligent. Intelligible. defective, executive, executor, executrix, English, Englishman, England, legislative, legislature, arbitrate, arbitrator, arbitration, arbitrary, where in severe, with severe, universe, universal, universality, university, however, where in where. Section 5. All together, together, circumstantial, everything, thankful, something, remarkable, anything, nothing, whatever, whenever, misfortune, unprincipled, notwithstanding, denomination, incandescent, incandescence, enlarge, enlarger, inconvenient, nevertheless, irremovable, removable. Stop. English